MLA Barem Ganongkrem constituency, Bardan Miller Busaimai, Ubadai Matau, President, Kasengsan Partai Voice of the People's Party, VPP, Loong Kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party, UDP, Kaklam Krishan Yu, Hag election China Mikmat, Shakayan Rabato Angela, House Nam Al Jakarta. Da Bapan Pau Bakatek election, Uklem Sharem Hakabor Pisa, Loong Baladai Ban Sharem, Hakabor Pisa, Tela Dai Ban Sharem, the Kihajar Boot, Habakali, Bakaching Sharem Jungu, Kada Bandai Nakadabo, Pulut Por Banilab, Ikwi Perikirtong Party, Loong Bakaching Perkat, Kalang Kubabakla.
Kajing pakai kajing hi kalau ada ke parti kamde ya ke constituency dan rai ngasuku apa nong menegani arpulai very clear very simple banga klemrem de kapsa te tamo pil soto banga klemrem de kapsa te bat kamde tangkawi ka daw bangarem ladangarem de kapisa ngala de bendrem de ki hajar bot te hanongkrem constituency anu mala abang bawa arden urem dak pisa dikiran kiwe ki factor ki bapelong bawa arden urem bo
te bawa arden actually kai diklit kalau selection kai kedau ke baru fi gede koi pila campaign ni koi ele fikat no mentally filit ikni ke parti tumai kuno fi sure
kai strategy that was wrong kata kadi again ni bakala ke kata kadi jing sutu kadi wrong perception wrong notion even jongki nong kershan ke junga but which is not true ladang rem namar because I was not there in the constituency busy campaigning other candidates of both HSPDP and UDP ngala di ban rem nadu kasmi bangi penong ya ka rally kelas public rally kade hadian ke public rally ke bangi penong ha ka absol trek begini ke opponents nga berkhoi ki ba pleng rak ban penrem ba arten telada kade banga ngarem namar bangam do no constituency crowd would not have gathered largely on that last day of polling campaign. One reason we had an alliance with UDP did not support me here, so I lost by 76. That is very much one of the reasons, and other reason also.